All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some English phonics. So G and M. G. Got. I got it. I got it. Yeah. Juggle. Not juggle, not juggler. Juggle. 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 Oh, perfect. Look at that. Yeah, juggle. Look at that. Juggle. Yeah. Juggle. And ghost. Not ghost. 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 There we are. Look at that. Ghost. Yeah. How cool is that? And man. Man. Summer. Not summer. 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 With the sun. Sun. There we are. Sun. Very good. Yeah. Lamb. Lamb. Not lamber. Lamb. Lamb. Oh, perfect. There we are. Lamb. Very good. Lamb. Lamb. And autumn. Autumn. Not autumn. Autumn. Here we are. When the leaves fall down. Yeah. Autumn. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. When the leaves are falling down. Autumn. Yeah. How cool is that? So got. Juggle. Juggle. Ghost. Ghost. Man. Summer. Whoo. Lamb. Yeah. Autumn. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.